For Iola-Scandinavia. How do you feel about the season?
Great night. You know, the boys played very well to accomplish the first conference championship in 11 years. You know, the way it ended tonight, I thought the guys played well, but also the way it ended. That's what it's all about. It was fun cutting down the nets. Merrifield's made basket. Good night. Fun night.
You got into the game tonight, and what did it feel like when you heard the crowd chanting your name?
I was kind of speechless. Because I knew people, like, they want me always get in, and I never make a shot before, so kind of just having that happen, I thought it was kind of nice, and having them all chant my name was just made me feel really happy.
So